If Amazon is asking you for business insurance, don't panic. You can get a fully Amazon compliant quote from Next Insurance in under 10 minutes. Let me show you exactly how I did it. First, go to Next Insurance using the link in the description. Click Get a Quote. You'll be asked to enter your business type. Choose something like online retail or e-commerce seller. Then, fill in your business details like name, address, and estimated revenue. Make sure your quote includes general liability, $1 million per occurrence, and product liability. Next builds that into the policy automatically. And yes, it meets all of Amazon requirements. Once you choose your coverage and pay, you can download your certificate of insurance instantly, right from your dashboard. Amazon will need this for compliance. It really takes less than 10 minutes, and it's one of the easiest ways to stay compliant and protect your business. Tap the link in the description to get your quote from Next Insurance and stay one step ahead of Amazon's requirement.